Man, I love smelling truck fumes, man.
Already looks better because you put that exhaust on it.
Yeah. Welcome back to Back Road Driver, guys. Sam just did something pretty awesome to his truck. Obviously, you know that if you've already seen it in the thumbnail. He's gonna walk us through everything today.
I had an AWE exhaust on my 2015 Ecoboost. It fits right up on this new truck. So what you're gonna see, guys, is how to make an exhaust from the previous gen fit on the new gen.
Even though they don't have bolt-up kits yet. The aftermarket is lagging pretty bad on this. Probably has a lot to do with COVID, but you don't have to wait on somebody to get a 21 and up exhaust system. You can put this on here.
You can go out, buy any exhaust you want now for the previous gen, do this same step right here that we're gonna do, and it'll fit just fine.
And if it doesn't, it's Sam's fault and he told you to do it.
You're gonna see that there's not really much to it. You do need a welder to do it correctly, because you're gonna wanna keep that joint right there. You'll see what I'm talking about. But everything fits up from the back all the way up until you get to this connector. That's your only trouble spot. If you got a welder, you're good to go.
Here we go, let's get into it.
So this is the situation on the 2021 F150. They reversed this flange. And so now what you have is the female and the male are swapped. So that's why custom exhausts for 2020 and below don't fit now. So all we're gonna do is cut this off and replace it with the factory female connection so everything bolts up nice and neat. So we have hung the exhaust on, and as you can see, your exhaust hangers are going to fit up exactly like they were on the previous gen from 15 through 20. So all of this is going to go on exactly the same, no issues. Now we're working on this section. So what you can see here is we have, right here we have cut this off, and we're going to slide the other pipe over the top of it and weld it on, and we'll be good to go. So now we got it all welded up. As you can see, we flared the end here a little bit. It slid right over nice. Put a slick weld on there. Looks like it came that way now.
Okay, so we've heard it and you're about to hear it. Sam, what did you think on first startup?
I'm really digging it, man. I love the sound of the new exhaust. It's not quite the Wolf. It's not even close.
It cracked though. I heard when he started up here a second ago. You're about to hear it. It cracked and popped on some of the revs. It's pretty awesome. Huge improvement over stock.
Sounds pretty good. It does have a resonator on there. It's got a vibrant resonator, not the resonator that would come with an AWE exhaust. If you're wondering, guys, about the setup, but here you go. Here's the sound.
Before we start that up, we're gonna mod this thing all week. So we're gonna be bringing videos to you back to back. If you're watching this in the future, there's an entire playlist on that now for every mod that Sam's done for his truck. We'll put that right here in a card and at the end in an end card. I think he's gonna like this. I think if you got a 5.0, this is the reason you got it. Spend an extra, just a little bit extra money to make it crack a pop like this.
We got more mods coming quick. We've got Falcon suspension going on this thing. We've got bed liners going in. We've got wheel well liners going on. We've got wheels and tires, the big
meaty custom everything.
We've got a few surprises here and there for you. We'll catch you in the next one.
Peace.
Peace.
This is my 2020 GT 350 that is nasty like a 96 Honda right now that's been sitting out in somebody's front yard and they had a bath in about 4 weeks. It's been the stepchild sitting out in my driveway. I've driven it in the snow twice. Who says you can't daily drive a GT 350?